Hey guys, so in this tutorial I will show you how to create a handwriting effect using Adobe Premiere. So let's begin. Of course, you will need to have a background. It's not necessary, but so it looks better. So next we need to create a text layer. We can go here to edit. We can hit a new layer and select text. We can just align it to the center and we can resize it. Okay, so yeah, in my case I'm going to use a font that looks like handwriting written, and we can change the content. We can put like tutorial, for example. We can just make it bigger, we can center it, and that's it. Okay, so after we have like our text layer, we can select like how far it's going to be or how long it's going to be. But after that, we need to go to our project tab and hit right click, and here on new item we need to select transparent video. Okay, we need to create it. We can drag it to the timeline and we need to match the length to the basically to the text. Okay, so after that we can go to effects. We need to search effect called write on, and we need to drag that to the transparent video. Okay, so after that we can go to effect controls, and in color we need to make it red, like pure red. Here we need to change the brush size so it matches like the text, and after that we need to change the stroke length in seconds to 5 and the brush spacing in seconds to 0.001. Okay, so after that we need to be on the first frame, and we need to click on brush position and toggle animation, and after that we need to move our dot. Okay, so let me just select that. Actually, it doesn't allow me to select it, but yeah, we can just drag it like this. Okay, like that. Let me see if I can just like this. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so here it should be working right now. So after that we need to select on brush position, and we need to trace like the position of it, and we need to use our right arrow key on our keyboard to change the frame in order to create this effect. Okay, so in this case this will be the starting point. I recommend you to put the dot outside of the text in the first frames, and after that we can hit like our arrow key to do this process. I'll show you, and we can drag it to here. We hit another frame, and we need to make it like this, another frame, and we can just move it below, another frame, and we're going to do this to the entire text, and you will see the end result. Okay, guys, so after you have that, you can just see how it works. After we have that, we just need to search another effect which is called mate, drag mate key, and we need to drag that to our text. So, okay, so in my case it's locked, but we can unlock it and we can drag this. So after that we can go to effect, and we can select our mate to be our video, and when you just play it you will see that basically it works like that. So that's it guys, I hope you like it, and bye.